Okay guys, so these are the items that you're going to need: some oatmeal, some raw honey, and some eggs. I only used one because I honestly didn't need that much, so one egg is fine in a container and something to mix it with. And then you can start off by cracking your egg and mixing everything in. So now we can get to the fun part by putting the mask all over our face. I'm not gonna lie to you, the mask is very sticky and to me it stink. Like, I was smelling it and I almost threw up. But this is not my first time doing this. This is like my 4th time doing this, so it works pretty good. Like, you'll know to take it off once it starts to feel like super duper tight in your face, but other than that, it is fine. So to kill time so I can hurry up, I'm just like dancing around the house, acting stupid, the usual. But yeah, so I'm just chilling. Y'all know I'm about to do this little Kim dance for y'all. So after letting the mask sit on for a couple of minutes, I only let mine sit on for about like 10 to 15 minutes, not too long. But after letting it sit, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off and make sure you get all of it off, because at the end I realized I had like a little bit of honey still stuck on my face. But to just make sure you wash it off, and then y'all gonna see Sean pop up in the camera. But then I'm just gonna go over my face with some, I done forgot what it was called. Oh, witch hazel. So you can just put some witch hazel on your face, and honestly, that's it. So everyone, that is it for today's video, and I thank you guys for watching and staying tuned to my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.